Thinking of installing artificial grass yourself? This guide walks you through each step clearly, from base prep to brushing the final surface. Let's turn your outdoor space into a lush, low-maintenance paradise. Section 1. Prepare the ground. Start by removing all natural grass, roots, stones, and topsoil up to 75 mm depth. This gives you a clean base to work with and prevents future unevenness. Use a shovel and turf cutter, then level and smooth the area as much as possible. Section 2. Add a subbase. Spread a 50 mm layer of crushed rock, stone, or MOT Type 1 over the area. The subbase ensures drainage and prevents sagging or puddling after rain. Compact the base with a plate compactor until it's flat and firm underfoot. Section 3. Apply a weed membrane. Roll out a quality weed control membrane over the compacted surface. This layer blocks weeds from growing up through the artificial turf. Overlap the sheets by 10 to 15 centimeters and secure with ground staples or pins. Section 4. Roll out the artificial grass. Unroll your artificial grass and position it over the area you prepared. Let it rest in place for 2 to 3 hours so wrinkles and folds can settle naturally. Ensure the grass fibers all face the same direction for a uniform look. Section 5. Cut and join the turf. Trim the edges neatly using a sharp utility knife and a straight edge. If using multiple rolls, align the pile direction and connect them with jointing tape and adhesive. Press the seams together firmly for a nearly invisible join. Section 6. Secure and brush the grass. Fix the turf down with landscape nails or pins around the perimeter. Use a stiff broom or power brush to lift the blades upright for a natural appearance. Optional, add kiln-dried sand infill to help keep the turf stable and well-weighted. That's it, your artificial grass is installed and ready to enjoy. It's a clean, green surface that's perfect for pets, kids, or just relaxing. Subscribe to Dubai Artificial Grass for more how-tos, turf inspiration, and expert tips.